Welcome to Tech Machine, this video only for knowledgeable. Ever wondered how those shiny gold bitcoins are made? Let's take you inside the factory to see the fascinating process from start to finish. Design and molding, it all begins with design. Experts use 3D modeling software to create precise digital blueprints. These designs are then transferred to CNC machines, which carve high-precision molds for the coins. Metal casting and pressing. Next, a special metal alloy is melted at high temperatures and poured into molds. Once cooled, the raw coin blanks are transferred to hydraulic presses that apply massive force to imprint detailed Bitcoin symbols and text. Gold plating. To give these Bitcoins their signature golden shine, they go through an electroplating process. A thin layer of 24-karat gold is applied, making them not just beautiful, but also valuable. Laser engraving and polishing. Some Bitcoins are customized with laser engraved serial numbers or QR codes for authenticity. After that, each coin is carefully polished to remove imperfections and give it that perfect reflective finish. Packaging and final inspection. Before leaving the factory, each Bitcoin goes through strict quality checks. Once approved, they're packaged in protective cases, ready for collectors and crypto enthusiasts worldwide. Outro. And that's how gold Bitcoins are made. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing factory tours. Have you ever wondered how money is made? Today we take you inside a high-security dollar manufacturing factory to see the fascinating process of turning plain paper into valuable currency. Unlike regular paper, currency paper is made from a special blend of cotton and linen fibers. This gives it a unique texture and makes it more durable than ordinary paper. Security threads and watermarks are embedded directly into the paper to prevent counterfeiting. Printing the design. The next step is intaglio printing, where high-pressure machines press ink into the paper, creating the raised texture that you feel on real money. This process ensures that details like fine lines and portraits are crisp and difficult to replicate. Adding serial numbers and seals. Next, unique serial numbers and treasury seals are printed in green ink. These numbers ensure every bill is one of a kind. Each bill is inspected multiple times to ensure quality and security before moving to the final stage. Cutting and packaging. After passing inspection, the sheets are cut into individual notes and stacked into bundles. These bundles are then packaged and securely transported to banks and financial institutions, ready to be used in everyday transactions. Final security check and transport. Finally, the freshly printed dollars are transported under tight security to ensure they reach their destination safely. And that's how money is made. A fascinating combination of art, science, and security. Next time you hold a dollar bill, remember the complex process behind it.
Thanks for watching.